All right, guys, so we've been getting a lot of shock drops recently, man. It's just been working for Nike, getting off a bunch of stock of whatever sneaker is upcoming. And Nike is smart to do these shock drops, man. And today we're gonna be talking about the anticipated, the rumored shock drop for the Air Jordan 12 Cherries. So I'm hearing could be happening here within the next couple of days, man. All right, guys, man, if you are new to the channel, man, before we get into all the meat and potatoes, right now what I need you guys to do, man, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we drop on the channel. You guys know I come up on YouTube talking about shock drops, talking about restocks, exclusive access, all that good stuff in order to help you guys out hit for retail, because nobody likes paying resale and everybody likes getting things early for retail. So that's why I always try to put you guys onto the videos, man. So if you guys are new, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and please give a huge like on today's video. Go for every video is 400 likes. Like I said, we less than 600 subs away from 80K, and we will be giving away a pair of Air Jordan 11 gratitude, just for me to show my thanks and appreciation back to the Vintage Squad, man. All right, guys, if you did not peep yesterday's video, man, we did an early unboxing, an early first look at the Air Jordan 1 Satin Breds. I must say, man, super beautiful sneaker. Happy to have these in the collection. I was, you know what I'm saying, short them a little bit. Wasn't giving them enough credit. Then when you get them in hand, things like blam, like they just catch your eye. They catching your attention. I literally left these out all night, you know what I'm saying. Usually I do a reel over on IG. But I just want to sit and just look at these things and see how dope they actually are, how much better they are than the patent leather braids and the satins. I'm telling y'all, bro, it's killing the patent leather braids, man. These right here, super crazy, love the material, love the quality. And like I said, we did get a shock drop for these on the Nike sneakers app, and there was not too much talk about it before it happened. I think it kind of happened, you know what I'm saying, we got the rumors the day before the drop, and then the next day all you see is people talking about the shock drop for the Air Jordan 1 Satin Breds. And that leads me to the next sneaker, the next hype thing that everybody wants. It's been some years, I think almost a decade since these things that came out. The Air Jordan 12 Cherries, bro. Now these cherry things, this is gonna be the first time I've ever had them in my collection. Always wanted these things, you know, of course, I wanted the flu games, we got the flu games, wanted the playoffs, they gave us the playoffs, and now I just feel like it's time for them cherries to finally come back out, and we have not gotten a shock drop for those yet. We got it for the Satin Breds, we got it for the Red Cements. What you haven't we got a shock drop for that was, you know, highly anticipated for the masses, you feel me? And these Air Jordan 12 cherries are definitely up there. We know we're gonna get that shock drop. We know what's happening, but now we're starting to hear more rumors about these cherry 12s dropping. And I can see it happening either sometime this week, like I've been talking to my Discord, either sometime this week or early next week we would see that shock drop on the Nike Sneakers app. Usually they've been doing around 2 p.m. Eastern time, or sometimes they flip around and do 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but it's always either 12 or 2 or 3 Eastern. It's weird, I don't know why they do it like that, but we could be seeing that here within the next couple of days. I think the Air Jordan 1 Satin Bred dropped last Thursday or last Wednesday. I think it was last Thursday or something like that. And it seemed like they've been doing the shock drops on like a Wednesday or Thursday for some reason. I don't know what that is. But if we do see something tomorrow, like on a Thursday or on Friday, I would not be too, you know what I'm saying, shocked that it did happen on either one of those days, because that's what Nike usually does. It's a crazy hype release. I know it's nothing like a Travis Scott. It's nothing like an Off-White or anything like that, you feel me? But it is a highly sought after sneaker. People that always want the cherries, OGs, you know what I'm saying? People like me, I ain't an OG or nothing like that. I think that words get kind of tossed out there too much. I feel like you've been, you know what I'm saying, buying shoes for a while. You don't have the cherries like myself. These are definitely high up on the list for you. And I've been saying it for a little minute now. I feel like the cherry 12s gonna be like number 2 or number 3 on my list of cops of 2023, just because we have gotten so much heat, bro. So much heat. Mochas, reimagined 3s, Satin Bred, like so much heat. I can go down the line. We got the University Red foam posits. Just so much crazy heat has dropped for us recently. And the cherry 12 is definitely up there with the reimagined 3s, up there with the Mocha 1s, or the Palomino 1s. Sorry, I probably said Mochas. The Palomino 1s definitely up there. And man, I can't wait to have them, bro. Like I said, we are hearing these rumors about this shock drop finally coming to fruition, bro. It's finally coming to fruition. I'm hoping it happens tomorrow. But once we do get that solid time, that solid date, you guys will see Everybody talking about it on Instagram, everybody talking about it on Twitter, all in your Discords about this shock drop happening, because this is probably the last dope release in my opinion. Like if I look at thinking about all the singles released the rest of the year, like I said, we got the Gratitudes, already got them, still not a big fan of them, but other than that, bro, the Cherry 12s, and these were up there too. The Satin Breds were definitely up there. I didn't think I was too excited about getting them because I did have the Patent Breds, but the Satin Breds, they like night and day better than the patent leather breds in my honest opinion. Some people might feel differently, which I ain't, you know what I'm saying, I ain't knocking, but for me, the Satins are killing the patent breds in my opinion, man. So the Air Jordan 12 Cherries, beautiful sneaker. Another reason why like kind of these rumors are getting a little bit louder is because we just got the official images for, like I said, the Satin Breds, and we got the shock drop. Now we got the official images for the Air Jordan 12 Cherries, and you know what I'm saying, people gonna talk, people gonna say what's gonna happen. There's already people talking about how it's gonna happen on this day, this week. Stay tuned for time and stuff like that, but we have not got any dates, but we are hearing that it's happening here within the next couple of days, like early next week or even tomorrow or Friday. I'm hearing that this shock drop could be happening, but like I said, if it does not happen this week, of course it's gonna happen next week. Nike just smart for doing this, a smart marketing decision for them. Shock dropping about 100,000 pairs, getting that, you know, those out of the way. They don't got to worry about selling the other, what, 200,000-300,000 here in the US. It's smart marketing, bro. If I was up in Nike, I'd be doing it every single drop. Get these pairs out, make people more anticipated about copping the sneaker. It's just a smart, strategic business move in my opinion, bro. So more information shall be coming soon about the Air Jordan 12 Cherries. In the meantime, between time, make sure you guys go check out the unboxing we did for the Air Jordan 1 Satin Bred, and let me know right now, if you don't mind, if you will be snagging a pair of the Satin Breds or even these clean cherries. I know some people said that they're not even copping the cherries. I'm like, bro, how you ain't copping the Cherry 12, bro? Like, it's just crazy. And let me go on a little bit of sidebar. I got a question for y'all. Did the Air Jordan 12 playoffs drop this year? I feel like they did. I'm not too sure. No, I think they dropped last year. The playoff 12s dropped last year. I remember that. Okay, I answered my own question. But when I be coming up in the videos, man, I literally just come here to talk to you guys, see what's on my mind. And the playoff 12s on mine for some reason. I gotta pull them out, get a fit out with them. So that's probably the last pair of Jordan 12s I need. I do want the Gamma 12s. But I feel like the Gamma is probably gonna come out for a long time to come, and even if we do get anything close to or similar to the Gammas, I ain't gonna want to cop it. I want the original Gamma joints that dropped back in 2014 or 2013, one of the two. Like I said, we did get a Gamma inspired 11, the cap and gowns. We ain't got the Gamma 11s back, but hopefully we get the Gamma 11s, the Gamma 12s. Boy, definitely gonna be adding things to the collection, man. Hey, I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping into today's video. Make sure you guys subscribe right now to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content like this that we do drop. And please give a huge thumbs up, huge like on today's video, man. Drop some comments down below. Let me know what you think about these upcoming releases, these rumors about the Air Jordan 12 Cherry shock drop. I'm super interested in knowing. And all this being said, man, your boy The Vintage is gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.